The stingiest man in the world by country. You think you've dated a stingy man? Baby, wait until you meet Mr. Let's Split a Banana from Holland. Number 1, Dutchmen. These men are top tiers.
And here's the word, lifestyle. Learning to live well, because the ultimate essence of life is not a Ferrari. The ultimate essence is not a home. The ultimate essence is not a bank account. It's not $1 million. It's not a fortune. Here it is. The ultimate essence of life is learning to live a good life. That's the key. Whether you have modest resources or whether you have mega millions, either way, the real key is learning to live a good life. Andrew Carnegie, who built...
If you want to date an African man but you're not sure about the finances, baby, let's find out together. Because some of these men, they flirt like millionaires, but spend like they're in debt to Jesus. Number 1, Moroccan men. Moroccan men will romance you with poetry, dates in Medina, and promises under the moonlight. But when it's time to pay for dinner, he's already halfway at the door saying, Inshallah, next time. Very, very romantic, but broke heart. Number 2, South Africa. South African men are bill split kings. First date, he's already talking about going 50-50 to build together. Bro, we just met. You're not applying for a mortgage. And for your birthday, expect a meme and yo, enjoy your day, nah? Number 3, Nigerian men. And I know I'm gonna get probably a lot of hate for this and I'm going to be attacked again. I'm just gonna say it anyways. Nigerian men are loud with their money until it's time to spend on it. They'll wear designer, drive flashy cars, and still ask you to manage a couple of dollars worth of phone credit like it's a love language. And if it's one of those, I always have money but not a clear job type of guys, run. That means selling money, it's only cute until law enforcement kicks on the door. Number 4, Kenyan men. Kenyan men will take you on a date and expect you to pay for both, and then ask you to send them a taxi fare to get back home. You'll fall in love but also fall into budgeting apps. Next, Ghanaian men. Polite, romantic, great vibes, but don't expect them to spoil you unless it's dirty December. They are generous in spirit, which is lovely, but can I buy skincare with spirit? Next, Uganda men. Uganda men will act like you're their queen until...
Yes, welcome guys into my video. The owner of this chair, the mother passed away, so she wanted the chair back revived, and she wanted us only to replace the one out cane, just as we're doing. But for the rest of the other things, like the rubbers that are for the legs, she wanted it to be the same as it is, because it reminds her of how she was raised with this chair. Now this is a 40-year-old chair that we managed to revamp back. So the paint remains the same, the frame remains the same, everything remains the same. The only thing that changes is the cane. The cane is the only thing that changes. So thank you guys. I urge you to kindly like and share our content. Truly appreciate the gesture here. At least now we are on to 12,000 subscribers. Thank you.